Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn send email in the Rust with Lettre. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let me just open this package because I need to check the version. Okay, so here we have the version that is 0.11.18. So I'm going to use this version. Otherwise I'll go with like adding this cargo, add this package. Okay, so or add the following in the cargo.toml file, so you can add like this. So I'm going to just copy this, opening my project, html. Okay, let's open with the terminal. Cd var www html, and I think we have the file that is ls cd rust something. There should be a rust project. Hello rust, right? Cd hello rust, opening the code. Okay, so here we have opened the code, then we have a main file that should be replaced with my this code where we are going to send the email. Copy this and just paste this. Okay, so this is, we have done this. After that we have to install the dependencies, so just copy this from the terminal. I'm going to run this dependency and it's done. Okay, after this I'm going to run this. Oh, we have to set up the credentials part also, so let's go back to this. And here we can see that first of all, import the necessary components from the Lettre crate, that is message, that is header, mailbox, message and the single part. Okay, then the SMTP transport, then authentication. Okay, used for the async runtime, I'm using this one. Main function with Tokio runtime for the async execution. So here we have the main function, right? So message builder, build the email message, set the from. So here we have to set the from, your name, whatever you can pass it over here, set the to address. Okay, after that, subject, set the email body as a plain text, could be use HTML for that. So I'm going to a single part HT builder. Specify the content type, text plain I'm going to use. Then the body, this is the test email, so not on using the HTML right now. After panic if the message build fails. Okay, set up the SMTP credentials. So I'm using the Gmail, right? So we have to go with the Gmail part. So here we go with this. Okay, so where we have the SMTP section. Um, yeah, this is the smtp.gmail.com. So I'm which transport smtp server you are using. So I'm using the Gmail, and panic if relay setup fails, attach the credentials to the mailer and build the transport. Attempt to send the mail, match mailer dot send email, and then we will print that the email sent successfully or not. So first of all, let's build the credentials. Let's go to your Gmail account. Okay, so I'm going to go with my Gmail, and here we get with the Gmail account. Okay, I'll use this one. Let's go to my account. First of all, go to that account. Okay, security, and there is like two-step verification. Then I'll go with the another one, that is app passwords. Okay, so I will going to create a new app password, that is Rajnikant. So I'll create that one password. This one I'll just copy this password. Okay, it's recommended that you can do with the like some env type, so you can use that passwords over there, because adding the hard coded is not recommended. So this is the password. Okay, so just put the password like this, and after that we have to go with the email. Okay, so I need to copy this email also. Okay, so just pass this email. Okay, and the another one that is from and the to address. So here I'm going to put my the same email address. I'm going to put it over here from and to, so that I'll receive that message. Okay, let's try to run it. That is cargo run. Let's take a look. There was some issue that unresolved import Tokio. So use Tokio, used async runtime, no external create Tokio, unused mailbox, unused import mailbox. Okay, and main function is not allowed to be async. Okay, so what it says that the error could not compile hello rest, two previous errors. Okay, so the main function is not to be async. Okay, so let's take a look what's going on. See, control N, I'm going to paste it. So let's take a look. Control Z. So fn function main. Okay, so I'm going to use the function main, and nothing. I will go with this async runtime or something. So control Z, control Y. Okay, so let me remove this, unuse this. Okay, any mailbox, it says that the mailbox is not used, that is unused part. Okay, let's run it again. Could not send the mail, letter transport, kind permanent code severity permanent navigation, username and the password not accepted. It says the credentials. What's happening with that? It says unable to send it, but why? Oops, sorry, I guess I forgot to update this one. This is the old one, so let me just update this. Control A, Control V. This should be removed. That should be also, and this to be also. Okay, let's save this and run it. Email sent successfully. Let's take a look. I'll receive the email. Let's go and just check the email. Home, here, Gmail. Oops. Here we have the email. This is the test email from the Rust app. Okay, so your name, and this is the this one, recipient name is this one. Okay, so we have successfully got the email, and this code is working for the Gmail part. Okay, so this is how you are able to send the email with the help of the Lettre. Okay, and the Gmail account, right? So hope you understand how we are going to send the email using the Gmail SMTP server. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.